Hello, my dear friend. Today I present to you the new spinnaker. Uh, I can present this watch today, but we can buy this watch in few days, the 4 December. It's Amalfi Diver. It's a new tool watch. I hope you like the design of the new spinnaker. It's a very cool timepiece. I wear this watch since few days and very good comment from my friend. Everything loves this watch a lot. It's a very solid timepiece. Yes, a good size, 46 millimeters for the diameter. For the case, excuse me, but the case is very cool on your wrist and it look like a Seiko samurai if you know. Up and we'll see. This is the spinnaker Amalfi diver. Spinnaker sent me this blue one with red on for the minutes, and the second. It's a very cool timepiece. The case is perfect. Like we see, the box is traditional for spinnaker. Up. This watch is so perfect. I take off some link yet for adjust for my chicken wrist. Traditional box, like you can see, spinnakerwatch.com. The spinnaker Amalfi Dive, it's a really cool diving timepiece. Saphir crystal in each side, seiko NH35. NH35, sorry for my poor English like always. 200 meters for swim, surf, practice triathlon, many sport in water. This watch is a true diving watch. The bezel is true and the lume is so brilliant, very hard. The link is very cool and look very solid. It's not a false stainless. It's a true stainless metal strap. It's a free link, like we see. I wear this watch since 2 or 3 days. No mark, no scratch. Very cool. The bezel is in aluminium, but it's perfect for a diver. Not all the diver need ceramic bezel. The glass is saphir. Personally, I prefer, but people can prefer other like ceramic or we'll see. When I see this watch the first time, immediately with this bezel, I think to Dido. I think to Star Wars. Perhaps it's false, I don't know. But very cool design. Up. Sorry, put on my wrist. Yep. Like we see, the watch is big, but very cool on my wrist. Yep. The case is polished or brushed. Personally, I recommend so much this watch for all people who want a true diving watch with a seiko movement, perfect for swim, diving or other sport water. This watch makes the job. I swim 2 times yet with this one and no problem, no water condensation. Very cool watch for practice sport in water. Have a good day. Sorry for my poor English, but people prefer my video in English because I don't have many followers in French. Soon I make the same in French with more explication because I'm better in French. I hope you love this new spinnaker, the Amalfi diver, and soon on my Instagram, a new video.